Welcome back to the Viezu workshop. I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this Range Rover Velar in for a remap, upper pulley and dyno. So it's about time we get it strapped down and find out exactly what it's running now. From stock, this Range Rover Velar runs 543 brake horsepower and 729 newton meters of torque, but we know we can improve on that. So it's time to hand over to our technical team so they can make all the upgrades and see just how much performance we can add to this Range Rover. The upper pulley is part of the vehicle's supercharger system. By upgrading it, you increase the speed at which the supercharger spins. This increases the amount of boost the supercharger can generate and, as a result, increases the engine's horsepower and torque output. To get the most out of your performance upper supercharger pulley upgrade, it will need to be combined with a Viezu Performance Tune. This will release the full and safe potential of the engine, making use of the additional boost created by the performance upper pulley and releasing the hidden potential of the engine. More horsepower, more torque, more throttle response and more fun to drive. The upper pulley has been fitted to the Range Rover now, and the new Viezu Performance Remap has also been written to the ECU. So it's time to strap it back down and find out exactly what all those changes add up to. After all those upgrades, this Range Rover Velar is now running 606 brake horsepower and 786 newton meters of torque, a vast improvement. And if you've got a Range Rover Velar or any Range Rover that's looking for the Viezu upgrade too, then give us a call on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com.